Good morning class, I am your computer teacher of class 5. Today I will continue the reading of chapter number 2 on page number 18. Open page number 18. Today we will start from types of files and their extension. We have to use different types of files at the time of working on a computer system like document, presentation, picture, etc. Each type of file has a different extension which helps us in knowing the type of that particular file. Below some important types of files and their extensions are being mentioned: document.doc, text.txt, presentation.ppt, audio file.wav, portable file format.pdf, and picture.png.bmp.jpeg.gif. Finding the size of file and folder. The size of every file and folder depends on the number of pages, pictures, charts, etc. it has. There are two methods of finding out the file size. First method, go to location where the file has been saved. Example, open my documents. It can have many files that you have created. For example, we want to know the file size of the document my pets. See the picture. The data type and size of the file are mentioned against the file name. Second method, for example, let us find out the size of document named student list that is saved on the desktop. Right click on the file, see the picture. You can see the file location and its size below. Finding out the size of a folder. First, go to location where the folder is saved. Second, right click on it, a menu will appear. Third, click on properties option. Fourth, a window will appear and it will have all the information related to the folder. Example, finding out the size of folder named Manali that is saved in E drive. Finding out the size of picture. First method, you can find out the size of a picture just like a file or folder. First, single click on Windows Explorer. Second, go to the location where it is saved. For example, we have saved Happy Diwali picture on the desktop. Third, the size of the picture is appearing at the bottom. See the picture. Similarly, you can also find out the size of the other pictures. Second method, point on the picture with the mouse. You can see the entire information related to the picture, like type of image, the date, the time when the picture was taken, its length and width. Example, this. So this is the reading of the chapter completed. You have to read this chapter at a glance. Thank you class and have a nice day. Goodbye.